Guys, this is sound check. Those of you who can hear me on YouTube or on TradingView, please let me know in both platforms. A few minutes and we'll start the session, yeah? So I can see a few chats on YouTube. So this stream is basically on the two platforms at the same time, yeah? TradingView, our TradingView profile, and our YouTube channel. Hope all of you guys are doing well, by the way. I'll wait for a few minutes just to get a confirmation that the voice is working perfectly, the sound and the screen. And if you're on TradingView, please let me know on TradingView chat that you can see the screen and you can hear me clearly. And if you're on YouTube, just let me know, just say I'm on YouTube and I can hear you clearly. The sound is good. Few minutes, guys, and we'll start the session. By the way, I want all of you guys to keep watching till the end. Today, I have a special offer for all of you who are still watching since Monday, yeah? So all of you are watching basically and following us on a daily basis since Monday. I have a special offer for you. So keep watching and let's get started in a few minutes, guys. ECC, good morning. Leo. Mark, good day from Australia. Hi, Mark. Radu, good morning. Branson, good morning. Alan, your sessions this week are amazing. Thank you for everything. No problem, Branson. This is usually what we do for retail traders, actually on a daily basis and monthly basis, weekly basis. This is basically what you'll get, guys, as at the support, the information, the tips, the tricks. Azim, morning, Alan. Can we look at GJ and gold, please? Yes, we'll do that, guys. Meanwhile, please try to put your questions in the chat and your questions and your charts. I'll start to take my notes, and if you see the pair someone is asking for it, please don't ask for it again, yeah? I'll go through the pairs as usual, one by one, and I'm repeating. All of you guys who are still with us since, I would say since Monday, and even for all the followers, I have a special offer for you today. Just keep watching. I'll mention it in, during the session, okay? So start please to type your charts, guys, on the chat. YouTube or TradingView, I'm having access to both of them. I can see both chats. And I'll start to take my notes. If you have any question, please type it, guys. I'm taking my notes right now. And in a few minutes, we'll start the session. Video and sound is perfect. I believe this is on YouTube. On TradingView, guys, please, if you see a blank screen, just refresh. And then I think this will be working, yeah? Perfect, guys. I'm just reading your questions. Those of you are joining right now, guys, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. All of you are watching, please thumbs up and keep watching till the end. Like I said, I have a special offer for you today. So it's not something to miss, actually. Right, I can start to see some charts. Let me start to type my notes. So GJ, gold. All right. If someone, guys, on TradingView can post a message maybe from our members, like if you see a blank screen, just refresh the page and go for the link again. This will be appreciated. On TradingView chat, guys, yeah, please, if one of our members can do that, this will be perfect. Thank you very much. So, on YouTube, Jana, sound perfect. Perfect. Thank you, Jana, for confirming. Damien, hi, Daniel. Rasul, Muhammad, Leo. Perfect sound. Great, guys. Thanks for confirming. Rasul, everything is perfect. Great. TV is good, Richard. Perfect, Richard. Thank you very much. Richard, please, if you can type a message on TradingView for people who are basically seeing a blank screen, just refresh or click the link again. This will be appreciated. Thank you very much, Richard. Zuhair, morning, Zuhair. 360, good morning, great forecast all week. You're welcome. MD, video and sound is perfect, great. I joined membership. Jata, I joined the membership back on January, and in the beginning for a month. I don't find details on him in the market. Well, Jata, I think everything is explained in detail, yeah? I'm not sure if you are one of our members or not, but if you have any difficulties, you can always ping us, yeah? Forex Trader Gold, yes, I have this on my list. Leo, pound dollar. Guys, I really hope you saw pound dollar, yeah, how it behaved. Exactly as explained. I'll touch base into this one shortly anyway, but it was great. Swiss yen, Branson, yes, we'll look at this one as well. Pound CAD, MD. Alona, New Zealand dollar and pound dollar. Yes, pound dollar, I have it. Let me add New Zealand dollar to my list. Hack up your New Zealand. Mikhail, do you have specific time sessions to trade? Yes, I usually trade only London and New York sessions, yeah? Mainly start of the London session or 1 hour before, 1 hour after, and New York session, the start of it. Swiss yen Radu, I have it. Right, I can start to see some trading view messages. Great. Perfect, Jordan. Thank you very much for confirming on trading view. Radu Swiss yen, I have it on my list. Josephine, my first time here, yeah, 30. All right, welcome to the channel, Josephine. If you can, please subscribe, hit the bell icon, and make sure to watch some of the previous forecasts as well. Everything is on our YouTube channel, yeah? So you will get an idea basically what we do, how basically we go for the forecasts. And US30, I'll put it here. EuroCAD, EURUSD, Richard, yes, let me do that. EuroCAD and EURUSD. All right. Albert, good morning and an excellent trade on shorting the euro dollar. Perfect. Silver. Mikhail, you said that pullback is short time. Is pullback part of the correction or the correction itself? Very good question, Mikhail. A pullback is not a corrective structure. It's a wave of its own. It's called pullback, okay? It's one wave. Hi, Alan, can you look at New Zealand Swiss? Yes, I can do that. It's very important pair as well to look at. Rajdev, and the buy from below the previous lows, what level can I hold till? Yeah, we can check that, no problem. Euro pound ECC. Great. I have money on TradingView, GU and EU. I have pound dollar on my list. I'll add the euro dollar as well to it. Guys, those of you are watching right now, I'm just reading the chat on YouTube and on TradingView. I'm writing my notes here, the list, step by step, question by question, before I start the forecast. I'm repeating, those of you are with us since the beginning of the streams, I have a special offer for you. And I'll give you also a lot of tips about structures, about how to trade, because this is the last day for the live sessions, guys. That was special for this week. Euro dollar, it's already done. Mikhail, do you trade pullbacks or you wait for a corrective? And yes, sometimes I trade the pullback, Mikhail. There's a special structures where when we wait for the pullbacks. Pound CAD and Euro New Zealand, I have them in my list, guys. Right. Please, euro dollar, Jata. Actually, everything is explained in detail. Yeah, 612 members on Slack. All of them are making progress, and basically they know exactly what to do. If you have any difficulties, like I said, you can always send us an email. I will be more than happy to help you with that. Okay. Please, euro dollar, pound dollar, and gold. Euro dollar, pound dollar, I have them on my list, and gold as well, Charles. Can you have a membership for daily updates, Charles? Unfortunately, I cannot do that. The daily updates are basically our seniors are doing it. They are very, very experienced traders. They know exactly how weighted waves works, how the structures, about how market moves. They know everything about trade, and they are basically experienced traders. Yeah. So these are basically our seniors who are doing the daily sessions. I'm going on every Saturday and every monthly session myself. T is going for every Sunday and Wednesday, and we have the seniors going on a daily basis, Monday till Friday. So Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, with the seniors. So you have sessions on a daily basis, Charles. Yeah, if you decide to join us. Good, sound perfect, great. Jason, yes, I have the gold in my list. Rajesh, pound dollar and dollar yen. Pound dollar, I have it, guys. Let me add dollar yen. Again, if you see the pair already written in the chat, try to not repeat, guys. Yes, please. Dollar Mexican. Okay. As usual, actually, I'll go for this list once I finish basically reading the chat. I'll give you a lot of tips and advice about structures, give you more probably patterns today. I'll see how things will go, and also, like I said, a special offer I'll offer to you basically today. Just some sort, guys, of appreciation for all of you who were following, watching, liking, commenting, you know. So fly rockets, gold, pound, New Zealand, pound or euro pound. So all of these I have them. Fly rockers. I think the only pair that I don't have is the pound in New Zealand. I write it down now. Already left. Perfect, Richard. Thank you very much. Silver, I have that. What else? Good morning, sir. Thanks for this great analysis. I look forward to see more of this in the near future. Moses, yes, actually, like I said, this was a special week, guys. That's why I'm doing this for all of you. And I hope you enjoyed it and you took advantage of it. You made money, you traded the next waves, and you learned something new, yeah? Euro dollar, I have that. Good morning. Any correlation between US oil and cat pairs? Yes, there is a correlation between US oil and cat pairs, for sure. But the point is, we do not trade correlation, yeah? The only reason why we don't do that, is actually correlation happens at the same time usually. Yeah, so you cannot basically take advantage if cat pairs will go. Let's say cat will get stronger, you go and you buy US oil. It's not like that, okay? But yes, of course we have correlation for this one because you know basically about the oil production and cat. You can read for this one on Google anyway. Aussie cat, please. You said keep on. Yes, exactly. Aussie cat. I think I have it on my list. Let me double check that quickly. No, let me put it again here. And we'll look at it. Aussie CAD, Aussie dollar, Mark. Let's go for Aussie dollar as well. Just entered the sell in GJ. All right, mommy. Good luck. Please look at US30. I have it in my list. NAD 100. Okay. Gavin, in the WTW Masterclass trading course, will we be taught how to determine the various targets and reaction levels? Gavin, you will learn everything about wave analysis once you join WTW membership. Yeah, everything, from the foundation to the labeling, to the pattern, step by step in detail, to the strategies, to the entries, to the axes, to how to trade, psychology, order blocks, smart money concept, price action, and so on and so forth. Everything you will learn, step by step process. And the main point is not only about the Masterclass course, is also about the Q&A sessions, because every single Q&A session is a lesson. Make sense? Omer, I'm happy to see your live sessions. Thank you very much. Humbolani, I just want to thank you, Alan, for your team. You are always on. Thank you very much for the feedback. Gold 146. Right, I'm not sure what you are referring to with these levels. EuroCAD, I have it in my list, guys, I think. EuroCAD, yes, I have it in my list. JAMA, I'll just guys take a few more minutes to just write all these all the messages. Don't spam, guys. Yes, please. Euro, CAD, pound, yen. I have this one. CAD Swiss, also one of the most important pairs to keep an eye on as well. CAD Swiss. Euro, and I have it. Stefan. Why pound dollar not going down? Why not going down? All right. Those of you selling pound, be careful, especially GJ and you. All right. I decide when to start. Yeah. You can't see anything. Okay. There's a scenario where you put your trade on break even and market takes you out. Then it moves to the direction where your target is. Do you place your stop loss to original place or let the market take you out? Mikhail, I think in managing trades, when markets start to move in my direction, usually once I have 1-to-1 or 2-to-1, this when I move my stop to break even and I take partial profits. Sorry about the spam, but you're still on start screen, sir. Empowering guys, I think all of you can see and hear me clearly. Yeah, I'm not covering the charts yet. I'm just taking the questions, writing all the pairs, and I'll start in a moment. Okay. If you cannot wait, you can just leave and probably come back later to watch the recording. Mark, yes, please, guys, if you can hit the thumbs up, the like button, this will be appreciated on TradingView and on YouTube as well. If I'm in the profits and the trade starts to go against me, how to know when to hold or close my trades? Caro, this very important question. Usually this should be based on structures. Yeah. Not always, Mikhail. I'm making sure, guys, to not miss any question. Yeah. So again, those of you who cannot wait or like are in rush, you can simply leave and go back later to watch the recording. Yeah. Because these sessions are for our followers that we promise them that we'll go for this live session and give them basically the updates on a weekly basis, like for a whole week. And that's what I'm doing step by step, message by message, to not miss anyone. All right. Can you make a long-term view, weekly, monthly for Bitcoin, Ethereum? Nikki, yes, Bitcoin, I think you know the long-term view, but if you are new, yes, I can do that for you, no problem. Long-term, Bitcoin. You are amazing for everything. You are amazing for reading everything. I need to join. Give us a coupon. This is what I'll do today, guys. Right? Joshine, morning took the EU yesterday during the news at 0.66 close after breaking low. Perfect trade. Yes, amazing. Well done. Kevin, all the details about how to pay is in the Q&A section. Sorry, in the FAQ section on the website. And if you have any more questions, you can send us an email at info@wetradewaves.com. Our team will reply to you through that. Okay. Right, guys. So few seconds before I start. Like the stream, guys. Yes, please. If you can like the stream. Let me just double check this before I start. How many are watching at the moment? Right on TradingView, I have basically JD Invest. Morning. Please check NatGas, GR40, and wheat. Yes, we can do that. No problem. NatGas, it was not bad actually. GE40 and wheat. Yeah, we'll do that for you, no problem. But at the same time, if you can give us thumbs up on TradingView, this will be appreciated. Just 1 second, guys, before I start the session, let me just double check one thing. So this is YouTube here. Okay, we have at the moment 166 watching and 69 likes, right? Let's go up to 90, 100 likes. And then we start. 166 is watching. That's not fair. Okay? Let's do that. It's just one click from your side, right? Miss the oil sell. Spooky. Yeah, no problem. Market will always give you opportunities. Yeah? Yes, Yul, thank you so much for the feedback. Harman, we do not trade double bottoms. I'll probably mention this about double bottoms, double tops. Charles, no, I cannot do that. Usually I do the majors on Saturday session. So tomorrow, it will be basically the live session as usual for Saturday. I'll go for the red list as usual and we'll end the session. This week, guys, is about your questions, about your charts. I'll go step by step in order just to be fair with everyone. You think England Swiss in general can reverse soon? 90 likes, right? 10 more, guys. Let's go for 10 more likes on YouTube. Yes, Nico, you think New Zealand Swiss and Swiss in general can reverse soon? Yes, they can. Right? I'm biased to the upside. Sorry, Josh John, I don't know if Euro Swiss and New Zealand CAD been mentioned. I don't think so, Euro Swiss and New Zealand CAD, but I can have them here, right? Euro Swiss and New Zealand CAD. Perfect, guys. With this list, I think let's get started, yeah? So let's go to this one and we'll start with GJ. For this one, GJ, you know what I said to you in the past few days, I would say, yeah? For this, Mark gave us this pullback. This is a corrective structure, by the way. Up correction, up. And before market breaking this top, no setup to me, right? And if I go to the 1 hour, you can see that market is pushing to the upside here. What's next? Regardless if we get one more drop, remember, by the way, this is Friday, okay? So when you are on Fridays, usually I don't take trades personally. So Friday is about managing trades most of the time, not about taking new trades. Unless you want to trade basically the London and start of New York session as a scalping trade, then you go for it, no problem. You can do that. Okay, but taking trades, new trades on Friday, I do not suggest you to do this because you have the weekend and you never know what sort of news it might come, how market will gap on Mondays. So why to put yourself into the situation? What I can see structurally for pound yen, pullback. So first thing first, above this top, I'm biased to the downside. My bias is toward the downside and I look for sell setups only. Is the market ready to drop? I don't think so. I think market will correct. One will push up, probably tap 185, and then after that, we'll see the reaction to the downside. This wave is not a wave to miss, okay? I'm repeating, those of you is, someone is saying the screen on YouTube is not clean. Can you please confirm that, guys, before I continue? It might be from your connection. You can just go to the settings and put 1080p in the setting of the videos. You will get basically the best resolution. Okay, so in this one, I'm expecting market to give me a corrective structure, one push up, and then the fall after. Okay, so this is for GJ. I hope this is clear. All what I will do, no buy setups to me. Okay, all what I'm looking for is the sell setups from current levels, or if market will correct for one push up above this top again, because remember what I said to you this week, right, about this structure. So regarding structures, usually, or I would say 70% of the times, market will break the top twice. So not one, it will break the top, give you a pullback, up again before the fall. This is your trade from here, not straight above this top. Why? Because we have retail traders, we have a group of retail traders who trade stop hunt. Retail traders is not, guys, actually only you and me, right? Retail traders, they might be also some investors, some people who have basically trading big accounts as well. All of them are retail traders, okay? So those of them who will jump into the sell here, they will make sure to take them out before market move to downside, okay? Now, if you need to basically trade without stop loss and you start to do that, you will get lucky 1, 2, 3 times. The third time, market will move like this and you will lose your account, okay? So I'm speaking about structures, tips, patterns. That's something you have to keep an eye on. It's very, very important. Okay, so in this one, this is what I can see for GJ. Only sell setups to me. Any buy setup I'll ignore, and anytime market can correct, want to push up before the next fall. This is my trade to the downside. All right, gold, the most important, I would say, pair. Market went up. We've got this as a pullback. And you remember yesterday we were having CPI, right? And the structure here, I said to you, every time market break the low, it's a potential last low before the next push up. So if you get in this buy, you must have made some money here, or this would have been a break-even trade for those who were in the buy, okay? If you get a loss here, you should stop trading, okay? If you get a loss here with this trade, you should stop trading. Because if you jumped in here, let me go to 15 minutes again, just to show you how they basically manipulate the market, yeah? If you get in the buy here thinking that this will keep pushing to the upside, you get trapped with the fear of missing out, okay? And if you jumped in here with over-risking, without using a stop loss, this is the worst decision to take as a trader. Okay, so in this one, what happened? Market went up and then it went back down. This is exactly what market was doing for DXY as well, right? We've got the drop and then up again. We said to you, are expecting dollar to push up. In all the cases, market should be going to the upside regardless of the news. This one was just to trap people, take some liquidity above this top, and then market started to fall to break this low. Okay, so what after this drop? If I go to here and I see this is a corrective structure still, this is a potential corrective structure, I would say. Again, one more fall. If market will fall to the downside, I'll look for my buy setups. If I get a corrective structure, another fall, I'll look for my buy setups. My bias for gold is towards the upside until market gives me a bigger corrective structure, something similar to this one, before the next sell. In all the cases, if I need to sell from here, it will be just a short and fast trade to the downside. Just once market will break this low, I should take profits. This is for those who are scalpers. Okay, if you are a swing trader, if you are biased to the upside, this forecast or this sort of trades is not for you. And it's totally fine to just watch the market, to just analyze the market without being involved. Just wait for the market to give you the next move is something basically you have to master. It's called the art of patience. Okay, you have to master the art of patience, guys, because not every time I look at charts I take trades. Only once I see the setup I want to see, this one I take the trade. Okay, so for this one, if market gives me a corrective structure, one more fall, another push up will be coming. I am biased to the upside. If you want to sell and you want to ride this downtrend, this sells, you know, where from the top, where from the top, where from here, but not from these levels, because this can be just a wick for another push up. Okay, Kevin, let me please block this one here. 1 second, guys, because this is not a good way actually to mention things. Yeah, perfect. So for gold, this is what I can say. This might be just a wick and then up again. My bias is towards the upside, and I'll just be looking for my buy setups for this one. If you want to sell, you want to ride this downtrend, no problem. Make sure risk small, and every time market will break the low, you take profits. Okay, this is for gold. Pound dollar, for this one, market went up. Remember this structure, right? Up, correction, and up. This was a complete structure, and you know that we were biased to the downside. For pound dollar, we were saying to you since the beginning, since the start of the month, we are biased to the downside, guys. Regardless what the market is doing, this might be just a complete structure as what we said yesterday. Market went up, we broke this top here. Market went to another block zone actually. This basically we have some orders here left from big players, and market went up due to a CPI, and then it went back down, we broke this low. If you get in this sell, this is amazing trade. Okay, what's next? We might get a corrective structure here and one more fall. I'm not interested in the buy setups here as yet, even if this will be an expanding flat, which I cannot see at the moment. These buy setups will be short-term move for now. I need to see the structure. I need to analyze the waves here once market will complete the structure, because if this will be a correction, another drop will be coming. Correction, another drop will be coming for market to break this low and this low. Okay, once this low and this low will be taken, this actually where I will start to look for my buy setups. For now, I'm still biased to the downside. Is that clear, guys? For pound dollar, in all the cases, this was a move to downside. This was a sell. It was good sell, and market reacted from a liquidity zone here and from an OB zone as well. Okay, so this is exactly what we teach our traders, by the way, about all the structures in details, what market is doing, and how to trade the next wave. Okay, for this one, looks like market will correct for now, and then another drop. Even if market will push to the upside to break this top once more, another sell will be coming. Okay, that's for now. In all the cases, I'm not interested in the buy setups. This might be just a short-term buy scalping trade. If you get in this one under this low, because we have liquidity here, you have to manage your trades. Under this low, we're having liquidity, right? This one. If you get in this buy, just manage your trades, and it should be just a short-term trade. All right, guys? Swiss yen. Just keep watching. Those of you are watching right now, in a moment I'll actually explain you about our basically the special offer for all of you. Yeah. Swiss yen market went up, corrective structure up, right? And now looks like we are getting another corrective structure here. In all the cases, I'll be looking. Want to push up? I'm not interested in this. I'll be looking for my sell setups only to the downside. And this move, guys, it will be sharp, fast, and something similar to this one, by the way. Okay? So keep an eye on this one, guys. Keep an eye on the sell setups. Anytime market can start to fall. All right? Pound CAD. Market is giving us here a corrective structure and up again. I am biased to the downside. All right. If this is, by the way, a complete structure, which means even if this will push to the upside, corrective structure won't push up, I'm looking for my sell setups. If you want to go for this buy, it's up to you. You go for it. Under this low, we're having a setup, and market started to push to the upside. Above this top, if you are in the buy, you have to take profits. Okay. If this will give me a corrective structure, another fall will be coming. I am biased to the downside, and I look for my sell setups only after a complete structure or above this top. Make sense? Even above this top, we can get a corrective structure here. I'm not interested in this buy. Want to push up? I'm not interested in this buy. I look for the sell setups only. Okay, so this trade or this trade. If you want to jump in this buy and just try to make some money with these moves, you go for it. Personally, I'm not interested in these moves in any way. All right, guys, this is for pound CAD. I am biased to downside. If you're in the sell, just remove your stops and let the market unfold. New Zealand dollar, we've got a complete corrective structure yesterday. Again, due to CPI, this was a corrective structure here. Up, pull back, up, and then the fall. We've got this break and this one, right? Remember what I said to you yesterday? Market will break this low and this low as well. We've got these two breaks. Anytime New Zealand dollar can start to push up. Do I think this is ready to push up from here? I don't think so. If this will push up from here, this will be a bigger corrective structure only. In all the cases, I'm looking for the buy setups from current levels, or even if market will go down to break this low, I'm only looking for buy setups. Okay? So New Zealand dollar, I am biased to the upside. Regardless of what the market will do, I'm looking for my buy setups only. And this trade, it might be something similar to this one, which is a big move actually. Something similar to this one. Something similar to this one. Okay? So expect a similar move to happen here. Make sense, guys, for New Zealand dollar? Those of you are saying stream is offline on TradingView, you just need to refresh. Okay? Right, guys, one more confirmation on TradingView and YouTube that everything is working fine in terms of sound and screen, please. Euro New Zealand. For this one, market gave us a pullback. Look at this, yeah? Perfect, thanks, Gosh. Thanks, Charles. For this one, we've got a corrective structure. Up. Corrective structure here. Up. Pull back to take all these people out here who were buying actually, and this one here is to trap these traders to go into the sell. Okay, after this trap, market start to push up sharp again to the upside. What's next? And you are saying this is going down. Yes, every time market push to the upside, it's better opportunity, because here you will make more pips to the downside. The farther this goes, the better will be for the sell setups. And do not miss this sell, guys. Okay, do not miss this sell. Doesn't mean over risk, over trade, jump in, follow blindly. Okay, so for this one, even if market give me a corrective structure, want to push up, let it go up without me. I don't mind, I don't care. All I'm looking for is a wave similar to this one. And let me tell you one thing, even because I'm giving you basically more tips, more advice this week, usually before they reverse the market, they'll do something like this. So in other means, a reversal will look like this. Usually the reversal will look like this. A corrective structure, trap everyone out, push up, take everybody who were in the sell out, and then market will start to fall. This is the reversal pattern. Okay, so on this one, this can fall like this even. Okay, give you a corrective structure, another drop. Even if not, market will give you a corrective structure here, trap retail traders into the sell, want to push up, take everybody out, trap a lot of traders into the sell here, stop loss is above this top, we have liquidity, and then after this up wave, we'll trap another group into the buy because they will buy here, breakout traders, and after that, let's move market in the direction that we wanted to move. This guy's the market makers framework. Okay, once you understand this and you combine it with market makers, with market structure, with price action, smart money concept, order blocks, all these terminologies have no sense unless you understand market structure, unless you understand wave analysis. It's not about understanding wave analysis, it's about mastering wave analysis. All right, guys, so in this one, this is exactly what I can say, the fall. So I'm looking for the sell setups for a wave similar to this one, or a wave similar to this one, or a wave similar to this one. All right, so do not miss this sell. US30, for this one, market is correcting actually. What's next? Corrective structure, one more fall. This is what I can say. A drop, because this is a complete structure here. Everything is completed to me, and one more fall is very possible. So look for the sell setups. If you trade US30, I'm expecting this one to drop. Okay? EURUSD. For this one, keep an eye, guys, on the sell setups. Okay? Anytime market can start to fall. So this is my trade to the downside. Why this trade? In this one, guys, this is called an ending structure, by the way. Okay, we have here, let me just highlight this for you in detail actually. Here we have double top formation. What do you have above this top? We have basic liquidity, which means above this liquidity, above these two tops, we're having basically a lot of stop losses for all retail traders who get into the sell here for the double top formation and for this OB. Okay, for both, because this double top formation and this OB zone is for basically a big group of retail traders, I would say. So market went down, they trap everybody here into the sell, especially those who trade lower time frames, 5 minutes, 1 minute charts. If you get in the sell, they push market back up here. They took everybody out, especially people who were selling from these double top formation, and then market started to fall. What's next? Corrective structure. Even if this will push to the upside to break this top, I'm interested on the sell setups only. And all I can see is market falling to this level first. Okay? Why this level? I can see liquidity here, 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 and here. So a lot of people who get into the buy, they have their stop losses under this low. They are pending orders, by the way. Okay? And this structure, it's getting completed, or even it's getting complex. In all the cases, this drop will be coming for EURUSD. Now, what is the chance of this, Alan? This is a 90% chance move. I still have 10% chance for me to be wrong here, or for market to misbehave, or for something to happen and this will shoot all the way up 500 pips. Keep this in mind. We are not controlling the market. All we are doing is we're analyzing the market to see where's the high probability chance move, to go for it and to maximize profits trading this down move. Okay? Do you want to basically analyze the chart the same way I analyze it? You can join us, guys, and you can learn wave analysis in detail, step by step, and how to trade the next wave as well. Okay? EURUSD. For this one, also I want you to keep an eye on the sell setups. Even if this will correct, want to push up, the sell setups is what you should look for. I'm expecting market to give me a drop here, and this fall can start anytime. Personally, I'm expecting market to give me a corrective structure, want to push up, and then the fall. Okay, so do not miss this drop for EURUSD. This, guys, what we do again on every Sunday session, by the way. We analyze all these charts. This one, indices, other pairs, and your questions in detail. All right, so for you all, this is what I can say for now. Can the structure change? Yes, 100% it can change. But the point is, I cannot see that at the moment for a change of structure. All I can see is a correction, one more push up, and then the fall. Can this one keep rolling to the upside to 1.7? Yes, possible, it can, but I'll ignore this buy setup. Before market gives me this drop, I'm not interested in any buy setups. Okay? Silver. Market is correcting here for another fall. In all the cases, any drop, I'll ignore it, and I'll be looking for the buy setups only. A wave similar to this one, first thing first. Any other structures, any other moves, even to the downside here, I'm not interested in it. Okay, all I'm looking for is a buy setup for silver. Probably this will crawl down to break this low and this low. Let's do that. The next move is toward the upside. Okay, remember the sells guys were from here, if you remember that, right? And from here. I think I have this here as well. Let me just show you this one. Just as a reminder, yeah, especially for those who are new to weighted waves, I think we have silver here, if I'm not wrong. Look at this. So the sells were from here, right? And market went all the way down to these levels. So imagine guys, you know how to analyze this wave and how to trade the next wave and how to maximize profits out of it. I think this is all you need. One pair, one move to make a lot of money. Make sense? So for this one, this was a perfect sell, by the way. This was a sell from here, and market is falling to the downside. Okay? Corrective structure, another drop. Corrective structure, another drop. And don't expect us guys to be right every single time, yeah? Time to time will be wrong because we are not controlling the market. What it matters is the accuracy. We have high accuracy, like 70 to 80% of the times, market is moving as expected. And most of you know that. Those of you are new to Weighted Wave channel, guys, do not forget. Subscribe, give us thumbs up, and hit the bell icon. Okay? Those of you are watching, guys, at the moment, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, yeah? Hit the like button, guys. Now, this is for silver, okay? I'm repeating, all of you who are following us since the beginning, keep watching. Anytime I can reveal basically the offer, because this offer is only for you who are watching these live sessions, okay? This is first. We are not revealing this anywhere. This is for you first before we start probably offering this to others. We probably will not, right? It's just only for you as some sort of appreciation for you. Like, you are following us, you get basically, you put the like button, you commented on the last video that we're mentioning about it. You are following me on a daily basis this week. So this offer is exclusive for you. Okay, so keep watching. Anytime I might reveal it because it's a limited time offer. All right, so for silver, it's done. New Zealand Swiss, one of the like pairs that you have to keep an eye on. Like I said, I'm repeating, guys, keep an eye on doesn't mean jumping in or over risking, over trading. You remember yesterday I said this is a potential corrective structure for one more fall because this move, it was not completed. Now, what's next here? Anytime market can start to push up. If I go to the 4 hours and I zoom out here, daily even. For the daily structure, guys, this is here a low. This is done. Okay? Which means even if we get a corrective structure, one more fall, this up wave is not to miss. You should not miss this up move. Okay? So keep an eye on this one, guys. I think you start to feel what's happening, right? Euro New Zealand to the downside, New Zealand Swiss to the upside. So you start to feel what might happen. Okay? Indirectly. What else other than New Zealand Swiss? We have next Euro Pound. By the way, guys, do you remember this one yesterday? We said this is a corrective structure, one more fall, right? In lower time frames. Corrective structure, one more fall. If you sold this one as a scalping trade, perfect, amazing. But all you have to do with these sort of moves at the end of the structure, you have to trade carefully, risk small, and always, guys, make sure to take profits as soon as market will break the previous low. So, another hint, another tip for trend followers. make sure guys to enter at the start of the trend. And if you are at the end of the trend, make sure to risk small and take profits as soon as market will break this top. That's a must. Okay? If you can enter here, perfect. Is there any way to enter here? Yes, by mastering weighted waves concept. You will enter here and you will get an amazing risk to reward. Crazy. I would say more than 10 to 1, 15 to 1 in one single trade. And if you master this, by the way, if you will be able to master this, to master this one, guys, this is all you need to do something like that. And by the way, I want to say congrats to Naveed again. Yesterday, look at this. All right, I showed you like every single day I was showing you basically what our members are doing. Weighted Waves community is on fire, guys. Okay, it's really on fire. A lot of charts, a lot of meetings, daily meetings, and daily success stories as well. Okay, so Naveed, well done. Congrats. You are doing, guys, an amazing job. And like I said before, look at the spirit of the community. Okay, look at the equity curve, by the way. So you guys are doing an amazing job. I'm really speaking about like weighted waivers. Our members, we are proud of every single one of you. And if any one of you need any help, you know like where to message us. Yeah, we are here for you. And this is our happiness, by the way. Once we see our members succeeding, that's the real happiness. Okay, the real happiness, guys, is not about getting. The real happiness is about giving, by the way. Okay, for New Zealand Swiss, I'm expecting market to push up. So try to take advantage of this up wave here. How to execute this one? We have 5 strategies, 4 to 5 strategies where you can execute these trades and make money trading this up wave and maximize profits. All of this is covered inside WTW membership. Okay. Euro pound. Can you please repeat the special offer? Hagop, I didn't basically reveal it yet. Anytime I will reveal that because, like I said, it's limited time offer and it's for also few people actually. Can you please repeat this? Yeah, like I said, it was not announced yet. So Euro pound for this one, you know, market went up, give us a corrective structure. I was expecting a complex structure here, market went all the way up. So this structure here is completed now. If we get a correction, here, one will push up. Okay, you wait for this one. I'll not go for end trade for Euro pound because this structure is exactly in the middle. It's a 50-50 probability chance. When I have 50-50 probability chance, I don't take the trade regardless of the setup because here market is exactly in the middle for Euro pound. Okay, if you are in the buy setups, you just move your trades and let the market unfold. If you are not in, you leave it for now. If you are biased to the downside, you wait for this up and then you go for the sell setups. I think it's simple, right? I covered everything regardless of your bias. If you are in the buy and you are in profits, you move your stops and let the market unfold. If you are not in, you wait for now. If you are biased to the downside, you wait for one more push up to break this top, and then after that, market will be falling after. I don't know, what can you see here? Why market will push to the upside? What pattern are you able to see here? I am seeing, guys, a potential running flat here for Euro pound. Okay? Why not expanding flat? That's the beauty of free trade waves. We know when the market will give you an expanding flat and when the market will give you a running flat. That's also something advanced, by the way. Okay, even if you master wave analysis, if you have like if you took any other courses, if you master Elliott waves, we know when the market will give you an expanding flat and when the market will give you a running flat. That's all, guys, of precision you will get if you learn wave analysis correctly. That's why you will see me always posting like learn how to trade correctly. That's the main point, correctly. Okay, Euro dollar. For this one, market went up again. We've got this complete structure here, up, corrective wave, and up, right? All of you took the buy here. Like I said to you yesterday, a lot of our members took the buy, right? And are in the buy. Those who trade euro dollar and who enters using strategy 3, this was a crazy trade, more than 5 to 1, I would say, to the upside. Above this top, take profits, amazing, liquidity here, sweep, whatever you want to call it, liquidity slip, liquidity grab, completion of a corrective structure. After that, market started to fall. And remember one thing, if you know how to trade correctly, you'll be able to get in this buy and in this sell after. And this is something crazy, because remember, you are trading euro dollar and you know basically how liquid the Forex market is. And you are able to predict this wave, trading this up wave, and predict this down wave, and trading this down wave as well. This power that you can feel once you know how to read the charts correctly, it's unbelievable. Okay, because the emotion that will, the confidence emotion, the excitement that you will get once you are able to predict the next wave and market move in your direction, as a trader, it's something crazy. Okay, so what's next here? Looks like market will correct for another fall. One more fall for euro dollar. That's what I can see next. Okay. You remember, this is Friday. It's not to take basically trades, yeah? Either, unless like it's scalping trade for 10, 20 pips, and after that, we can go for it. Those of you are who are in TradingView and saying the screen is black, you can just refresh or just join the link again on TradingView. On YouTube, I assume like everything is working fine. We're going on TradingView, guys, because a lot of TradingView users also said to us, why don't you stream on TradingView? So let's stream on 2 platforms. Why not? Probably we'll basically send an email to TradingView asking them basically why we're getting that, and they might help in this. Our team has fixed actually the settings for everything, but looks like something is still missing. What you can do, just refresh this one, or you can watch the stream later on once it's finished. Okay, euro dollar, it's done. Next pair, dollar yen. This is dollar yen. Someone is saying I got on the buy and the sell of your, oh, perfect, ACC. Well done. Amazing. Guys, those of you are liking those streams, please hit the like button, yeah? If you can. Dollar yen, market went all the way up. This was a corrective structure, and market went up. Remember yesterday the structure that I was explaining. Like I said, keep watching, guys, step by step. I'll give you more tips. More patterns to focus on. These are exclusive and special patterns, by the way. Okay, it's not a typical regular flat, running flat, expanding flat. This sort of structure, this is what's called mastering market structure. It's not about support and resistance. It's not about smart money concept, order blocks. It's about really understanding the next move. All right, really knowing what the market might do next with a higher probability chance. Okay, the high probability chance is all what you can get after you do whatever analysis you have. Only it's called high probability chance. That's why it's probabilistic mindset. You have to have a probabilistic mindset. There's no certainty here. There's no way. Because if I have 100% chance, guys, I'll put all my money and risk it all in one single trade. You should never ever do that. Okay? So in this one, we've got a, look at this, sharp down, just to explain this again, up, corrective structure, up, corrective structure up. This is just simulation of this one. We've got a drop, and we're expecting market to correct. Instead of this correction, we've got a sharp up, and market start to correct here. Every time you see this sort of pattern, the next wave is toward the upside. 90% of the times, 95% of the times. If you see this sort of structure, when you are expecting market to fall, and then instead it gives you like sharp down, sharp up, expect this move to go to the upside, especially if you get a small corrective structure, not a bigger one. Small corrective structure, similar to this one, by the way. Okay, so we've got sharp down, sharp up, a small corrective structure, up again. How would you know this one if you not join We Trade Waves? How would you know what to do here if you don't know how to trade correctly, if you don't know our concept? Make sense, guys? So like I said, one single tip, one single pattern might save you from a lot of losses. Why to put your money into the market? Why don't you invest in yourself first before you invest in the market? I'm not saying don't trade. All you have to do is to go with the step-by-step process. That's how you will succeed, by the way. Okay? And that's why you see a lot of our traders are making money and making progress. Okay? You really missed dollar Swiss daily. Shab Zikhan. Dollar Swiss daily, we can cover that, no problem. Dollar Mexican, the next pair. This is a corrective structure, guys, for market to push back up, yeah? By the way, if you look at this one, every time market was breaking the low, it was a potential last low. Okay, and I believe this was covered in detail during our Sunday session as well, and market went to the upside. If this will be the corrective structure, another push-up will be coming. Personally, I am biased to the upside. Okay, any buy setup I get, I go for it if I'm trading dollar Mexican. Those of you are asking about this one. Any new low will be the potential last low within structure before the next move. Let me go to dollar to EURUSD quickly before I jump to the next pair. So EURUSD daily. For this one to push up, like I said, drop first, another up wave, and then another corrective structure to start. And this, it might turn out to be an impulsive move. Okay? Make sense? If you are biased to the downside, wait for this corrective structure for one more fall. And if you are biased to the upside, wait for the completion of this corrective structure before you go for the buy. As simple as that. Okay? My bias is toward the downside long term. Now, short to medium terms, like I said, this is what I can see. Drop, up, and then a drop to come. All right? If you are expecting this one to go all the way up to break this top, you just go into the buy and you manage your trades. I cannot see this happening at the moment, personally. I might be wrong, but I cannot see this for now. Before having a big corrective structure, no buy setups to me. All right? I hope this helps, guys, okay? Because a lot of you trade EURUSD, I know that, but that's why I'm covering this in detail now, so you know what to do. Pound New Zealand. For this one, market is pushing up and up. I'm not interested, guys. Only sell setups to me. Like I said, Euro New Zealand there, New Zealand Swiss up, Pound New Zealand there. You start to see, guys, what is happening, right? So for this one, anytime market can start to fall, and we have a lot of liquidity here, by the way. Okay, I'm expecting market to fall. Doesn't mean you jump in, you over risk, and you just follow blindly. I'm expecting a wave similar to this one, by the way. Okay, now we are in this wave. We might be here and we might be here. In all the cases, any buy setup I will ignore, and I'll be focusing only on the sell setups. Make sense for Pound New Zealand? Perfect. Next pair we have US oil. US oil, I know, guys, some of you took this sell because above this top, look what happened here, right? Above this top, we've got the break of this top, we've got a pullback. Let me go to 15 minutes. Let me cover this for you in detail, guys, about market structure. So hopefully you learn something new again. Okay, look at this. We've got this up wave, right? We've got this up, corrective structure up, drop. And this wave alone, guys, yeah, 95% of retail traders are out. 99% of them, 95% of them. Why is this? Those who get in the buy here, stop loss under this low, they are out. Those of you trade breakout traders who wait for the market to fall and they put here sell stops, right? They get tagged here, okay, to the downside. And market went all the way up, their stop loss most likely will be here. Market up, corrective structure up, took all of them out. So no sellers, no buyers, every 95%, like I said, of them are out. Why 95? Because 5% are trading without stop loss. Let's assume only 5%. It's more than that, but 5% are trading without stop loss. Like I said, they'll get lucky 1, 2, 3 times, and after that, they'll be wiped out in one of the next moves. You get the point, guys? So for this one, that's what happened. I really hope you get into the sell, and if you're into the sell, make sure to manage your trades. For retail waivers, I think, guys, you know what to do here, right? If we get a corrective structure, another fall will be coming. Want to push up, no problem. Let the market push to the upside, we'll go for the sell again. 85 is what I'm expecting market to reach, right? 85. So even if we get one push up, no problem. We look for sell setups. Okay? In all the cases, I am biased to the downside and only sell setups to me for US oil. Next, Aussie CAD. Aussie CAD, actually, we've got a corrective structure here. Okay, we have two scenarios. Either this will be a correction for one more drop to break this low. Even if that's the case, I'm looking for the buy setups because this will complete all the structures. If not, market will still be pushing to the upside from here. Now, if you ask me my point of view from this one, I can say 70% chance we have that market will break this low. But even if that's the case, I'm not interested in the sell. I'll manage my buy trades if I'm in the buy. Okay, if I'm not in, I'll wait for market to give me a corrective structure. If we get a buy setup from here, we'll go for it. If we get a sell setup from here, we'll ignore. If market will fall, corrective structure, another drop, we'll go for the buy setups from under this low. Is that clear? Anytime market will break a low, it will be a potential last low before the next push up. Make sense? Hamza, it's really not like that. Okay, it's more complex like this. If you search for it more, you'll understand what it's not about MT4 users. Okay, Aussie dollar. You can go for BTC, by the way, just to see who are the retail traders. There's a lot of resources actually. Okay, I don't basically spend too much time explaining about this one because it's I'd say it's basic. Okay, with full respect to your point of view, you can just go to the internet and search about it. It's wave analysis is about understanding the mass psychology of all market participants. Okay, Euro pound, I believe it was covered. Assad, you can just search for it on once finish the stream. Okay, Aussie dollar, corrective structure here. One more fall is possible. If we get the buy setup from here, okay, just to explain one thing. Let me show you one more thing even before we go to this one. If I go to here, just to show you about the patterns, yeah? The potential pattern. Look at this one. By the way, this was an expanding flat. Here. So, this is a screenshot from pound dollar. If I go to Aussie dollar, just to show you the patterns, guys, okay? So this is pound dollar. Okay, I want you to focus on this one because this is a potential pattern, by the way. Yeah, that's why I'm saying weighted waivers. They know how to see these sort of patterns and how to trade them. Yeah, this is a potential expanding flat, and if we get a buy setup from here, weighted waivers, you know, like what to do. This will be the case to the upside. Now, if this will be a corrective structure, we know how to manage the trade if we are in, and then one more fall, corrective structure fall. This is the trade. In all the cases for Aussie dollar, I'll be looking for my buy setups only. Any sell setup from current levels, I will ignore. Okay, and if we want to go for the sell setups, let me cover the other part of things, yeah? Now I'm with the people who are biased to the downside. If you are biased to the downside, guys, and you want to sell Aussie dollar, you have to wait for market to give you a corrective structure, go for the sell here, and make sure to risk small, and under this low, you have to take profits, under this low and this low. What I can say is one more drop. Personally, but this is still a possibility. We know how to get into this one. If market go to the upside, how to make profits. If market will fall, how to get out for break even. Worst case scenario, small loss. That's how you should think. Okay, because once you enter the trade, you should only have 4 outcomes. Usually you will have 5, but one of these 5 outcomes you should basically try your best to not put yourself into this situation, which is the big loss. Okay, so once you enter the trade, you should only have 4 outcomes: small loss, break even, small profits, or big profits. That's the only 4 outcomes that you have to focus on. How to get rid of the big loss situation? By following weighted ways 4 golden rules, which are what? Do not jump in, do not over risk over trade, do not trade without stop loss, and never ever add to losing position. So guys, if you just put these 8 lines, yeah, in front of you whilst you are trading, you will never ever lose your trading account. Okay, now you cannot do that. This is a psychology problem. We can solve this inside WTW membership. You get the point? So for this one, this is what I can say. Euro pound asset, it was covered. You can watch the recording once it's finished. Yeah. CAD Swiss. Again, guys, keep watching. Anytime I might reveal the offer, because it's, like I said, limited time offer for a limited number of people as well. CAD Swiss for this one, I am biased to the upside. Regardless, if we get this corrective structure here, one more fall, corrective structure, one more fall, I am biased to the upside. I'm still expecting market to push up for CAD Swiss. Anytime market gives me a buy setup, I'll go for it. Okay. This is a complete structure, by the way. Okay. So if you get a correction here and you are into the buy, you move your stops and let the market unfold. Drop, correction, drop, correction, drop, not interested, because this will be some sort of ending structure, which is something similar to, let's say, I'm trying to find an example, just like this one. Okay. Imagine you are trying to sell this downtrend here. It's just very slow downtrend. We don't want this. Okay. Every time market breaks the low, it will be the potential last low before the next up wave. Every time market breaks the low is the potential last low before you go for the next up wave. I do not think following the trend is only about selling from here and putting stop loss here, because most of the times you'll get stopped out for this. It's not like that. Okay. It's more complex like this. That's why mastering wave analysis is your key to succeed in trading. Okay, mastering weighted waves, special wave analysis concept, I would say. It's not any wave analysis concept. It's weighted waves, because we have everything in one single solution. All right. Let me cover this quickly before we go and explain you guys about the offer. Okay, look at this, because a lot of you, they don't know, guys, what to do. Like, what is the step-by-step process about weighted waves concept, about weighted waves. For what we cover, you have seen that since the beginning, right? Every single Saturday, you know basically how things goes. And for this week, it was an amazing special week. I have enjoyed it. But for this one, let me just cover this before I jump to the other charts. It's very, very, very important for you to know what to do, right? Because a lot of people, they don't know even how to master the concept. Yeah, like if I join, what to get, what to do. Let me explain you this step by step, guys. Please allow me 2 minutes to explain this. Let me explain this step by step, and then after that, I'll give you basically what I want to give you. Okay, you know basically the solution. You know how to succeed. Okay, with this one about WTW membership, this is all what you will get if you decide to join us. Okay. All of this. We have only one membership, which is like WTW membership, and it's an all-in-one solution for serious traders. As soon as you join us, guys, you will get access to this. Get access to the latest WTW Masterclass course, which is 8 videos first. Okay, which is these ones. Look at this. Masterclass course. This is what you should do once you join us. The step-by-step process, okay? You go to here, you start here, Masterclass course. Do not go for the Sunday sessions to go for trading signals or for trade signals. You go only for the Masterclass course, because your goal should be to learn how to trade correctly. Once you get the knowledge, no one can take it from you. Okay, just put this in mind, right? Once you get the knowledge, no one can take it from you. You know the amount of tips, you know the amount of knowledge that we give, especially what I gave you this week. It was just a small part of what we usually give, yeah? And on the Q&A sessions, we cover a lot more than that. But you go to here, you watch this one chapter by chapter. Do not jump to the strategies. It will not help you, okay? You go chapter by chapter, because executing the strategies incorrectly, it will lead to big losses. Okay, so step by step, chapter by chapter, you go to this one, you watch it 3 times. Okay, this also for weighted waivers who joined lately, and for those who will join us. I'm giving basically the roadmap, guys, to succeed. All right, the roadmap to succeed in trading. You join WTW membership, you go for the Masterclass course, you go for this chapter 1, you watch it 3 times. Once you watch this one, once you watch it, you go for these notes and you read them one by one. Okay, whilst you are watching, you have to take notes. Why this is important, like why I have to take notes, because once you write something, your mind will memorize it faster. Okay, that's basically statistically. Okay, once you write something, your mind will memorize it faster. This is one. Second, You will learn faster by doing that. Third, if you take notes, this is your own notes. You can get back to it anytime you want. Fourth, once you take notes and you watch 3 times, you might find a lot of things that you are not basically able to watch it from the first time. Okay? This is the roadmap, guys. You watch this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, because these 2 chapters will be basically unlocked after the 3rd month, or if you go to the yearly membership. Okay? Once you watch this one, this is more than enough for you to be a profitable trader. These are advanced stuff. This one and this one is advanced stuff. This will be unlocked after your 3rd month with us, or straight after you go for the yearly membership. Once you finish this, what to do next? Once you finish this, you go to these monthly Q&A sessions. You scroll down all the way to the downside and you start from this one. Every single session is a lesson. I'm repeating. And trust me on that, this based on the WeTrade waivers feedback, every single session is a lesson. And look at this. This 1 hour 30 minutes. This is 2 hours and a half. 1 hour 48. 2 hours and 43 minutes. Yeah. And once you go to this one, you see this was basically the July session. The next monthly Q&A session will be next week. I conduct this one only for WeTrade waivers. Okay. So the August Q&A session, it will be conducted next week. So you will get access to it as well if you join, whatever, if you want to join actually, okay? You will get access to this one, backtesting session. You watch this one step by step and in order. That's very important, in order, okay? Once you go to this one, this was a TR session conducted also this month in the 1st of August for WeTrade waivers. And once you want this one, guys, what to do next, you go for a practical sessions with one of our seniors. What is the practical session? The practical session is you go and you present your chart to show us what you have learned. What we taught you, if it's okay, then we will go to the next step. What is the next step? You practice. You go for the demo account, you trade the demo account for the next 1 to 2 months, or you trade a very small real account. Because some of you might be saying, Alan, demo account is with no emotions. Why to go for this one? Like I said, if you don't want to trade demo account, you trade a very small account. $100, $1,000, depending on your budget, $1,000, $10,000, whatever the small account is for you. That's what you do. And once you do all of this, guys, you will be like in the 3rd month, or you'll be also able to join the daily sessions. Daily sessions are, all the links are in this tab here. Okay, I don't want to click it. Probably we have a link that will be for today's session. Okay, or let me go for this one. We can change it, no problem, if it's already here updated. So this was for yesterday anyway. It's expired. This section is updated on a daily basis. All right, look at this. Sunday you have the session with T. You know what is covered on Sunday, right? Monday you have Chun, Kishore on Monday. 2 sessions on Monday, and these sessions are gold. Okay, Tuesday we have 2 sessions. Thursday 2 sessions. Wednesday we have the recording update from T. Friday we have 2 sessions, and Saturday I'm going with you on every Saturday session. So all of this, guys, once you watch this one, you can go for the weekly as well to watch the recording of the Sunday and Wednesday, and to go for the trades of the week and trades of the month. All of this, guys, okay? This is the only solution you need to succeed in trading. Make sense? If you are serious about trading and you want to go for this one, that's the only solution you need. You can go to search about us on Trustpilot, like I said. You can read some feedbacks, what our members are saying. All these feedbacks are our members, all of them. We have here success stories on a daily basis. You can check this as well. Here. FDMO challenges. And I was showing to you guys, these are not updated, by the way. We have a lot of success stories that our members are not able, our IT team are not able even to post it on social media. That's how much we have success stories. Okay. I have showed you today Navid as well. This was only yesterday. And I've showed you 3 to 4 success stories this week only. Previous week, you have it on Saturday. Make sense? All of this, guys, if you are serious, this is the only solution you have. And as some sort of appreciation, and thank you for your following. Thank you for watching these sessions, okay? I will give you today an offer, and it's, like I said, a special offer only for those of you who are watching and keep watching till now. It's not revealed anywhere else. It's only for those who are watching on TradingView right now and watching on YouTube right now. And like I said, it's a limited time offer. This offer is basically a 50% discount, guys. Let me show you this one. It's a 50% discount for those who will join Let me show you this. It's 50% discount for the first 20 people who will join before 14th of August. So this coupon code, WTW15, all right, you will get 15% discounts, guys. Okay, this discount, it will be on the monthly or the yearly. So what is the advantage of that? The yearly chart, guys, the yearly, I would say, membership, it's already discounted, which is 18%. So if you go to this one, as example, and here, like I said, it's already 18% discount. Here, if you add a discount code and you put here WTW15, apply, you will get the discounted price. Okay? If you want to go for the monthly, it's the same thing. You go here, add a discount code, WTW15, apply. As you can see, this code will expire on August 14th, or once 20 people will take this membership. These are basically where this coupon code will expire. So this offer, guys, all right, just as some sort of appreciation for all your likes and comments, and this is not revealed anywhere. It's only for the first 20 people who will join before 14th of August, which is the next 3 to 4 days. Once the 20 people will take it, this will expire. Once basically the 14th of August will come, this will expire. There's no other coupon codes anyway. Make sense? So for that, guys, I hope this will be something beneficial for you. Just again, it's some sort of appreciation and some sort of thank you for what you're doing. Back to the charts. The last chart was, can you remind me, guys, what was the last chart, please? Aussie CAD, if I'm not wrong, right? We have covered Aussie CAD, and the next one will be CAD Swiss. For CAD Swiss, also, like I said, I think CAD Swiss was the last chart. Corrective structure here. I'm back to the upside regardless. Okay? Euro Swiss. For this one, you know we are biased to the upside. Anytime market gives us a buy setup, we are biased to the upside. All right? If you are in the buy, some of our trades are already in the buy. If you are in the buy, guys, make sure to manage your trades and let the market unfold. Guys, one more time, can you confirm that you can hear me clearly and you can see my my screen again? One more time before I continue. So up, corrective structure up, and all the way to the upside, actually. Okay? If this will be the case, perfect. If market will fall to break this low once more, no problem. Not interested in the sell, only buy setups. Okay? This is for Euro Swiss. New Zealand CAD. Perfect. Anytime market can start to push up as well. Okay? This was anyway the structure, correction drop, and now I'm expecting market to go up either as a corrective structure or as an impulsive wave. For me personally, I look for buy setups only. Okay? No sell setups to me. Even if this will correct, we'll see what to do. This will be a good buy. Sell setups from here is not a good idea. Under this low is the potential last low before the next move to the upside. Okay? Can this be an expanding flat? Sorry. Yes, it can. If that's the case, market has to give us an up wave, regardless. Okay? In all the cases, the first move for New Zealand CAD is toward the upside. This was the move to the downside anyway. It's done. We've got this up wave, liquidity grab, liquidity sweep, whatever you want to call it, and then this drop. If you get in the sell, perfect. If not, then wait for the buy setups. Bitcoin, let's go for Bitcoin. Those of you guys who want to get advantage of this offer, I suggest you to go for the yearly because you will get a crazy discount for the yearly. Yearly is already discounted, and on top of that, 15% discount just for you who are watching right now. Okay? And like I said, first 20 people only. So for this one, Bitcoin, what I can see is market correcting for one more push up. Okay? Can this correct for another fall? Yes, it can. In all the cases, I am biased to the upside. Bigger picture, this is the daily, by the way. Those of you who don't know previously, were saying this is a potential expanding flat. Those of you who are following me since the beginning, right? I have covered this more than once previously as well. This is an expanding flat formation, by the way. Okay, and if you want to label this one, if you would like to label this one, it's very easy. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 before market pushing to the upside. So under this low, we're getting our setups. We've got this up wave, correction up, drop up, corrective structure. This is 5 waves corrective structure, by the way. And we've got this up wave. We broke the top and market is correcting. What this means, Alan? the next move is toward the upside to break this top. Personally, I'm biased to the upside. Alan, can this one go all the way up like this? Yes, it can. Structurally, this is ready. Structurally, this is ready. Okay? Which means if any drop here will come, it will be some sort of manipulation only. Structurally, this is ready to push all the way up and go to 32, 50, 60K, and even above. This is ready structurally, guys. Okay, so those of you who are looking to invest, if you're investing from here, perfect. If you get in this buy, perfect. And if you get in this buy, amazing. You have another opportunity now. Make sense, guys? For Bitcoin, this is an potential expanding flat in the bigger time frame. So up, correction up. This where the first wave have ended. Drop, take everybody out here before the next bull run. Guys, is that clear? Is that helpful? Not gas. By the way, to get access, guys, to our Sunday sessions, all Sunday sessions are basically covered here, yeah? To give you an idea what we cover during the Sunday sessions as well, because some of you were asking about this one. Sunday sessions are conducted by T. We start with the news. First of all, we analyze the news, Forex factory, event by event, macroeconomic factors, global situation, what's happening in the world. After that, we go through this one in detail. This is what we do on every Sunday session. These ones in detail, the red list, YouTube list. After that, we go for the indices in detail, one by one. We go for the other pairs one by one in detail. And we go for your questions at the end of the session. Those sessions are roughly 2 hours, okay? 2 to 2.5 hours. Every Sunday before market opens. Remember, we're going on Sundays for you, before market opens. And this one, every Sunday session is gold, actually, okay? Because what we covered during these sessions, you cannot find it anywhere. So I think you can start to see, guys, the amount of knowledge and the amount of what you will get, right? So for Bitcoin, it's done. Not gas. For this one, I was biased to the upside, and market has to push up. This is correcting, okay? This not gas structurally, this is a corrective structure here, okay? This sell, I'm not interested in it. If you go to the weekly, just to show you the bigger picture for nat gas, which was very important, and wave analysis, guys, is a top-down analysis. Anything applicable for the high time frames is applicable for lower time frames. Someone was asking yesterday on the comment section, like, guys, can you still hear me on YouTube, please? Guys, can you still hear me on YouTube before I continue? Oh, yes, perfect. Thank you for confirming. So for this one, look at this one, right? Every note was the potential last low, and look the amount of moves we were getting here. Okay, what's next? Even if market will fall to the downside to break this low once more, do not miss this up wave. Make sense? Anytime market can keep pushing to the upside from here, by the way. Yeah, correction up. I am biased to the upside. This is a perfect investment, by the way, but you need to make sure about basically the what to call it, the spreads and the rollover fees. Just double check that with your brokers, because they might charge you a lot. Okay, and in this one, I'm biased to the upside, guys. It's a from perfect level. We were in the buy anyway from lower levels. We get partial profits, and now some of our trades are in break even. So for this one, if we get this drop, make sure. Anyway, we'll remind you during the Sunday and Wednesday sessions about this one, but make sure to not miss this buy if this happens. Okay, so that's basically the thing about nat gas. This is long term. Short term, this is for me is a corrective structure. Anytime it gives you a correction here, you can go for the buy. Okay, if this will drop, even better. After this drop, you can go for the next buy setup. This might be a potential expansion as well before the next up wave, because here we have up, we have a running flat, just to show you the structure. Up, expanding flat, and then up again. This will be called a 5 waves corrective structure or a leading diagonal. Okay, this means like the start of the structure. Well, Alan, this is not what they say about leading diagonal. Guys, we see leading diagonals differently. Okay, it's not about 5-3, 5-3, 5, or it's not about like we see leading structures and ending structures differently. Okay, so for this one, this might be a leading structure correction for market to push back up. In all the cases, only buy setups, one more fall is possible for here before the next buy. Why? To take everybody out from here, all those who get in the buy to get them out before the next move. This market maker footprints and retail traders behavior as well. Okay, this is for nat gas. What else? DAX. By the way, guys, I'm expecting all the indices to fall, actually. Okay, so for DAX, if we get a correction, one more fall will be coming. Remember, this was the structure that I was referring to yesterday as well. A potential expanding triangle here. Which wave to trade is up to you. Right, guys, I'll just read the chat on YouTube for a few more minutes before we end the session. On TradingView as well, if you are still on TradingView, you can refresh the link and ask questions if you'd like, guys. May I know your winning rate using your strategy? G-Car Forex, it's irrelevant actually, because every single one at Twitter has different winning rate. You can see basically an example here about what our traders are doing. Okay, you can see this one here. I hope like nothing private is revealed, but you can see basically the things. So these are some trades taken. I will not open this one, but you know basically what's happening inside weighted waves. Right. Pound yen was, I'm just going a bit up. Draymond, I'm with WW membership, and trust me, these guys are not a joke, beer and stuff. Thank you very much for your feedback, guys. If you can give us thumbs up, this will be appreciated. Yeah, because shortly we'll end basically this week of live stream. Thank you, market. Yes, correctly. Dollar CAD. Kwame, I think we have done dollar CAD. No, we can do dollar CAD, no problem. Yeah, market was correcting like we said yesterday for another push-up. Correction here, another push-up will be coming. So if this will be a corrective structure, one push-up will be coming for dollar CAD. Okay? Otherwise, this will be a running flat, one more drop before the next upwave. Personally, I biased to the upside, and this was a perfect pullback here before the next up move. If you are in the buy, you move your stops and let the market unfold. All right? What else? Okay, Euro Pound Assad was covered. You can just watch the recording later on. Pound Yen was covered. Sahal Pound O's, very good pair to keep an eye on as well, to the downside. And this one I am biased to the downside, guys. Regardless if this will push to the up to break the top, no problem. If we just to complete another structure, I'm biased to the downside. If you want to go for the buy, it's up to you. Personally, any new top is the potential last top inside this structure. All right. Thank you, Vladislav. Pound also already covered. Julio DXY, I didn't think we have covered this one. Yeah, we have covered this. Yeah. So corrective structure, one will push up most likely, unless market will give us a very complex structure, which is this. I cannot see this one, guys, at the moment, but just to let you know, unless market give us a complex structure like this. I am biased to the upside for dollar. You know, like we're biased to the upside for dollar since August, right? Since the start of this month. And even with the yesterday news, we've got this just to take everybody out, and then this wave. If you get in this buy, amazing. You must have made money. You can take profits and enjoy the weekend. Or you can just take partial profits, move the rest at break even, and let the market unfold. Right. What else? Hi Alan, excited for the special offer. I already tried the 1 month subscription. Hope I'm able to join again soon. Well, guys, this special offer is only for new people, right? Old members, yeah, ready in, guys. This is just for those who cannot afford to join us and just need one like one small appreciation. Yeah, so please leave this space for people who were never at Weighted Waves and want to join and need this offer. Yeah, if you don't need it, please don't take it. Just let's be nice for everyone who cannot afford to join. All right, guys. Good morning, sir. Please, which time frame? Which time frame? Based on this analysis, I'm confused. On wait for this. Okay, but so wave analysis is a top-down analysis. We do yearly all the way down to the 1 hour and lower time frames as well. Now, wave analysis is applicable to any time frame you want, but the more you go down in time frames, the more you will get losses, the more you will get noise actually. Okay, and noise means like confusion. Thank you for confirming that. Nikki, no, I didn't miss it. I just covered Bitcoin long-term analysis for all of you. New Zealand CAD, I think we have covered that, guys. No? Yes, it's already covered. You can watch the recording later on. FTSE. Oh, FTSE. Let's go for FTSE. If you get in the sell, amazing. This was a sell, by the way. I don't want to go for the trades of the week's action, but this was posted there for weighted waivers. Okay, all of them who trade FTSE, they get into the sell. Looks like this a corrective structure for one more fall. Okay, Ralph, Bitcoin is done. Ozzy, yes, it's done. Mona, thank you for your feedback. Thoughts on the XRP? Well, if you are following the news for the cryptos, guys, is actually up to you. But XRP is a good opportunity as well. This is a corrective structure for another push up as well. Okay, so I can see, guys, a bull run for all the cryptocurrencies very soon. Now, we might do a session for weighted waivers for cryptocurrencies, guys. We are preparing for that. Weighted waivers, they know this. And we'll share this with you once we are ready, because it involves a lot of research about which coin to invest in, what to expect, about the timing as well. We have done that before, and we'll repeat it in the next probably a few weeks as well. So keep an eye on the Sunday sessions, guys. Keep listening to T, because very soon we will basically let you know when the crypto session will be conducted as well. It's only for weighted waivers, by the way. Okay? Sajid, no problem. Thank you for the free training and tips. Thank you, no problem. Hey, sir. Right. Norden, I just covered step by step what to do, yeah, once you join us. So it's about basically going for the step-by-step process. And if you have any question about the concept, you can ask during the daily sessions, right? The seniors and moderators, or during my Q&A session that will be conducted next week for you. For a few weighted waivers, you can ask any question you want about anything, any chart, any patterns, anything related to the concept. Do you trade Monday and Friday, Mikhail? Fridays usually I don't trade. Monday, yes, but sometimes Mondays are just for, I would say, false moves. Okay, the most trades are, or like the best trades are on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Okay. Pound Oz, it's covered. Exactly, Joshine. Thank you for that. That's normal, guys. That's normal. Thank you. No problem. Thanks, Alan. Swiss yen was covered. New Zealand was covered. Pound dollar covered. Yeah, 13 NAS 100 is done. Perfect, guys. Right. Guys, thank you very much for attending these 5 days of live streams. I really hope you can actually trade better starting next week. And those of you who would like us to join us, you are more than welcome to join the amazing community that we have. It's the best trading community in the world anyway. And the sessions that are conducted are gold. You don't have to miss, especially the daily sessions, weekly session, and all the sessions actually that are conducted by the seniors first, by T second, and by me, right? So these sessions, guys, if you join, just think about what you get this week. It's just probably 10% of what I usually cover, by the way. Yeah. So if you enjoyed what I was sharing with you this week, okay, imagine if we are sharing this privately, not for public for everybody, just privately for weighted waivers. imagine the amount of knowledge you can get. And like I said, only one single tip, okay, can save you from losing your account. One single tip. And this what happened actually, like I said previously, this what happened. One single tip, guys, like I said, as example, right? Don't add actually to losing positions, okay? If you just follow one single tip for this might save you from losing your account, okay? And in regards to the offer, like I said, it's not revealed anywhere yet. This will be only for the first 20 people who will join, who are new to Weekend Waves. And again, old members, please guys, keep this for new joiners, because our team also will do the audit. If we find that any old member is using this one, you might get banned, right? Just this some sort of thank you, of appreciation for all members who want to join but need just a small discount. So this is for you guys. Take advantage of it. And like I said, if you are really serious about trading, the big advantage that you can get is basically on the yearly membership, okay? Because you'll get the biggest discount ever, and this might not be repeated later, okay? And it's just for the 20 slots, and after that, we can basically you can actually, guys, go and do what I just explained in terms of how to go through the concept in the step-by-step process. Okay, you're Trade with Care, guys. See all of you tomorrow at 1 p.m. UK time for the usual Saturday stream. Thank you very much. Bye bye.